Stuck at 20 push-ups, 30 feels hard and 100. Impossible, right? Here is the brutal truth. Most of your push-up routines are garbage. Training sets of 10 isn't building real endurance, it's just volume. If you want 100 push-ups, you have to train smarter, not harder. The secret? A progressive failure ladder. It is simple. Start with the hardest push-up you can manage, then move to slightly easier variations, no rest in between. Your goal is total muscle exhaustion, pushing past the wall that stops most people at 20 or 30 reps. This is how you get from weak to 100. Step 1. The decline push-up. Feet on a bench or chair, chest to the floor. Go until complete failure. When your form breaks, move to step 2 immediately. This overloads your chest, shoulders, and triceps right from the start. Step 2. Standard push-ups. Don't pause. Your muscles are already fried perfect, that is the point. Push as many perfect reps as you can until you physically can't lift yourself. Then move on. Step 3. Incline push-ups. Hands on a chair, chest down. You're fatigued, so every rep counts. Grind them all out. Failure is the goal here too. Step 4. The knee push-up finisher. This is where champions are made. Keep pushing until you absolutely can't move. Every drop of energy counts. This is your real growth set. Run this 4-step ladder 2 to 3 times per day, 3 to 4 days a week. Stop training like an amateur. Start training like a beast. Stick to the plan, and 100 push-ups won't be a dream anymore, it will be your reality. Follow this proven method for 30 days and you'll smash your push-up goals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and challenge a friend. Let's hit 100 push-ups together.